Welcome back. I'm here again with our morning show producer, Corinza Holler-Cook, and we are making M&M cookies.
Yeah, so let's continue on. I basically got it nice, light, and fluffy, and now I'm going to add the eggs and mix it back in. Tanya, I will need your help here.
Okay.
Because
you want me to fold them in?
It's more like I need you to keep this in. For whatever reason, my beaters do not like me. So I have to get kind of rough with them on a
That's okay. That's okay. It happens. It's live TV.
Exactly. You never know what's going to happen on live TV. This one always has trouble. I don't know why. Doesn't like me for whatever reason, I guess. Maybe we'll get it in. Yeah,
that's okay.
We'll hand mix it for right now until
yeah,
it's ready.
I'll work on blending them in there.
Aha, got it in.
Okay, so we're gonna get those the rest of the way.
And as we get it in,
how many eggs did you put in here?
2.
2 eggs.
2 eggs, and then we're gonna use 1 egg yolk.
1 egg yolk.
Yes.
2 full eggs and 1 egg yolk.
Yes.
That's interesting. Okay.
Yeah. So
what technique do you use to separate your yolks and your eggs?
I use the egg and just kind of do it over the sink.
Use it as a cup itself?
Yeah. And then I do it over the sink so it doesn't get everywhere because egg whites will get everywhere.
Do you save your whites for anything else?
Nah, if I need them, yes, but if I don't, no. I know it's kind of wasteful, but...
Yeah, with the cost of everything.
Yeah, I know, it's kind of wasteful, but so if you want to push down the sides a little bit.
Sure.
To get it in. We'll mix it more. So next we're going to add in the egg yolk. These eggs and egg yolks, sorry, I didn't mean to stab you with the fork there, are room temperature.
Nah, that plastic fork didn't hurt me.
It's okay, you don't got to lie to me, Tanya. So, yeah, next is the egg yolk. I had to make sure I get it all in there.
Okay.
Because, yeah, it's kind of sticky to the bottom a little bit. I guess this happens when you,
Okay. That's pretty good.
Yeah, and then we're gonna use that again.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Okay.
To mix it all together. My hands are so messy right now.
That's the fun part of baking, making the mess.
True.
Okay. So we are preheating our oven right now.
350.
To 350.
Yep.
Okay, so the next step will be adding our...
it's supposed to be vanilla, but unfortunately mine spilled, so instead I will be adding a couple pinches of cappuccino powder instead to give it a little flavor.
Okay, okay. Yeah. And your particular cappuccino powder is like a chocolate flavor.
Yeah, it's a double mocha.
Double mocha.
Yeah.
That's a fun substitution.
Yeah, it's just, I did not expect the vanilla to do what it did this morning, so I was like, hey Google, what can I use to substitute? And it was like coffee powder mix. I'm like, wait, I have it in the bottom of my desk. So,
because we are a morning show crew, and we keep things like cappuccino powder in our desk.
Because you need lots and lots of caffeine in the mornings on the morning show. Okay, so next you're going to slowly add that in for me.
Okay, I'm going to just set this here. Okay.
As we mix it in, we're going to flour's going to get everywhere, unfortunately.
I'm standing back. I should have put my schmuck on.
Probably a good idea.
All right, we're blending away.
Yep, and then once you get the flour mix in and everything's all mixed up, you'll put in the chocolate chips and the M&Ms. I like to eyeball it. I do not go by official measurements.
Basically that. And then you put them in the oven at 350
and you cook them for 12 minutes.
For 12 minutes, and you come up with these beautiful, beautiful cookies. And I love that you picked Easter colors for your M&Ms too.
Yeah, I got them at Dillon's. They were on sale. They're like $12. It's a gigantic bag.
I'm going to go ahead and do the official taste test
go for it.
you.
I'm still gonna mix this up here.
Yes. Really good.
Well, I am glad because first time recipe. So hey.
Oh yeah, really good. You can find this recipe on our website later this morning, KOAMnewsnow.com. Just go to our morning show page. Yeah. Nice job, Corinza.
Thank you.
All right, we will be right back.